things that you should plan to avoid, not just the things that you should do. You will almost certainly find that people are using their own personal accounts and often free accounts as well. And if you're not aware of what their use is, and if those team members aren't trained properly, they may not be aware of the risk that they are posing to the business. You may also find a slightly different version of the same thing is that departments are actually buying in tools that you don't know about. So marketing teams are generally extremely good at going out and finding these new tools, and they're very good at putting them on the company credit card. That's something we call shadow IT. That's where a department without full guidance or governance from the main organization is adopting technology. And we obviously want to try to avoid that. So do go out and provide better alternatives. That really the name of the game in avoiding shadow IT is to make sure that you find out the needs of your users and you provide them with something better than they could provide themselves. But also don't use blanket bans on AI technology. Don't just say you cannot use any generative AI, because that prevents some of the creative use and the exploration that your team members will do. So your team are already using GenAI. Sometimes they may be sanctioned to use it, but quite a lot of the time they probably won't. We definitely recommend to our customers that you take a don't trust, always verify approach to GenAI. We do that across the board with almost all security. It used to be slightly different, but now it is don't trust, always verify. So try to create a carefully considered environment for your staff to embrace these technologies as well as others.